Okay, and the last practice problem, you can use sine or cosine, whatever you want to use. Okay, but still, start off by finding your maximum. This is your minimum, -3. So your amplitude is going to be 3. Your center line is at 0, right here. It's not been shifted up or down. Okay, so you can use whichever one you want. But let's figure out our period. So again, the easiest way of doing that is starting from crest to crest. So this is at -pi/6, and this is at 11pi/6. So the length of your wave is 12pi/6, which is 2 pi. Okay? So from this, k is 0, amplitude is 3, b is 1. There's been no change in my period. So now it just depends on if you're using sine or if you're using cosine. Okay? If you're using sine, okay, I'll do that one in red. If you're using sine, then your wave will start here and it'll go like that. Okay? If you're using cosine, your wave will start here and go like that. So at this point, it just depends on which one you're using, what your shift's going to be. So let's do sine. If you're doing sine, then your shift is right here at pi/3. So pi/3 would be your shift. Since there's no change in period, it would just be that. So your equation would be 3 sine of x minus pi/3. If you had chose to use cosine, and I'll do that one in green, that means that your shift was this, which is pi/6. So this would be 5pi/6. H would be 5pi/6, which just means your cosine would just be 3 cosine of x minus 5pi/6. Okay? But basically, it'd just be the same. The only difference would be basically the shift.